Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. In this video, I am going to explain about types of cell formats. Before starting our video, please do subscribe and support us. In Excel, before writing formula, we should know what are the different types of cell formats. First one is text. Text is nothing but only alphabets, which cannot be calculated upon, and another is number format, which will be used for calculation. Based on that, it will give results on numbers. Text means nothing but only alphabets or combination with numbers. If the number is combined with text, then it will be considered as a text only. The number format can be utilized for price, quantity, weight, marks, meters, days, date format, percentage, height, weight, whatever it may be, but it will give result in numbers. Directly you can write a formula on it, whereas in text it will be a supporting point. You cannot directly run formula on it, but you can write if conditions. Based on if condition, then it will give result for number format. Here we can directly calculate 2 plus 3. It will generate result immediately. Numbers, we will get multiple options. Automatically it will be added autofill also, whereas here, since it has no value for text, then it will copy only the text. I will show you. If I drag here, automatically changes the value based on reference. If I change here text, it will not change, simply because text doesn't have any value, so there won't be any reference point or increasing point. Before writing formula, we must know on which point we have to write formula. Number can be translated to any format, date or weight or dollar. I just make it date format. Let's see how we can do that. Number 4 means it is a 4th January 1900. The same way we can do it. Number can be translated to any format. Number format. We can convert to percentage. We can convert to currency. How to identify whether it is a text or number? First thing is, text will be a left aligned by default. Number will be a right alignment by default. And another thing, if we select number, you will get some count and average, whereas in text you will get only count. So based on this, we can trace out whether it is a text format or number format. What are the limitations for using text in formula? When you give reference to this text, you can use only equal to. Other than that, it will not accept it. Like greater than or less than, simply because it has no value at all. Whereas in number format, it will take all type of conditional formula like equal to, less than, greater than, simply because it has number which can be converted to any format. For text format, you will find few formulas. Either you will find it in text and some logic. Both will be useful for text. Rest all for number format. We have seen that number format can be converted to any format including text. Can we convert text format to number format? Yes, we can do that if it has only number but it is considered as a text in Excel. For that we have to write formula number value, then give reference, then it will be converted as a number. I hope that this video will be helpful for understanding text and number format and how it can be utilized in formulas. Next video will be on how to write formulas for number as well as text. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day.